White lies? There are still lies in the skies. But I'm tired of the cries. I guess it was too late to realize I'm already mentally paralyzed. So I compromise. The more I analyze, the more I became mesmerized. Hi everyone, my name is Luh Andana Warih. I'm from Geger Senior High School, Madiun Regency. And today I'd like to tell you about a story from my city. The story of Raramanis. So let's get started. A long time ago, in Madiun Regency, East Java, a very beautiful girl named Raramanis. She was known as a famous dancer. Her most popular dance was Ulat Manis dance. Every time she danced, there were a lot of people who watched her performance. They admire her graceful body sway. As she grew, Raramanis became the best Ulat Manis dancer in Madiun. She had so many fans. Her dancing schedule was very tight. Since then, Ulat Manis became a famous dance, much adored and loved by people. So, she earned a lot of money. Soon after that, Raramanis became a rich girl in her area. Everyone who ancient had to invite her to dance Ulat Manis dance. But strangely, Raramanis didn't want to be paid with her money. She only wanted to be paid with coins. One day, Raramanis planned to make her house's floor from the arrangement of her coins. But the government forbade it. People thought that money had sacred value, and if she was determined to make the floor from coins, she would be threatened by a lifelong sentence. Raramanis gave up her intention. The next day, Raramanis felt bored and wanted to wander somewhere. I feel so bored living here. I can do whatever I want, said Raramanis. Well, audience, do you have any idea of wonderful places for me to wander? I know. I want to go to the top of Mount Lawu, said Raramanis. Then she put all of her coins inside a bamboo basket. She carried the basket all along to Mount Lawu. She was so passionate. She went in and out of the village all alone. When she had entered the dense forest of Mount Lawu, Raramanis met an old man with a long beard. His face was wrinkled, and his hair was white. While chewing hazelnut, the old man asked her, "Hey, young girl, where are you going?" asked the old man. "I'm going to migrate to top of Mount Lawu, Grandpa." "How strange! A rich people like you want to migrate to Mount Lawu." The old man asked again, suspiciously. Raramanis was very surprised. "Wait, how do you know I was rich?" asked Raramanis. "I just know because what you're carrying are money. That's coins, right?" "No, it's not money. It's just pebbles from the river." But the old man didn't believe it. I can't believe it. You're drunk, aren't you? No, Grandpa, I'm not lying. It's just pebbles from the river, said Raramanis again. Hey, younger, will you not regret the consequences of your words later? Asked the old man. What do you mean, Grandpa? I will say something truly and honestly. Now, look at your bamboo basket. Your money has turned into pebbles, according to what you said and believed all along. Your wish has been fulfilled in your arrogance, poor girl, said the old man. Hearing the words of the old man, Raramanis immediately saw her money. And how surprised she was when she knew that her money turned into pebbles. She regretted her words. She had lied to the old man. When she was just about to apologize, the old man had gone somewhere. Raramanis wept bitterly. My money! Where's my money? Oh God, where's my money? She realized that lying made her life sorrow. Since then, Raramanis promised to change her lifestyle and attitude. She wouldn't lie to anyone again. Then Raramanis returned to her homeland. She realized that wealth and money are not everything in life, and Madiun will be her homeland until forever. There, she pursued her profession as Ulat Manis dancer until she was old. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Raramanis teaches us that wealth and property are not everything in life, and we must love our homeland. And last but not least, lies can make our lives sorrow, difficult, and miserable. Well, audience, this is all the story about Raramanis from Madiun. Thank you and goodbye.